Homemade zesty herb hummus recipe. Let's start by adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic to the food processor or blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Some studies suggest that grapeseed oil may help raise HDL, good cholesterol, and lower triglycerides. Add half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Cumin seeds are an excellent source of iron. Just 1 teaspoon of ground cumin can provide a significant portion of your daily iron needs. Add half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Himalayan salt can include potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, manganese, zinc, selenium, and copper. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper. Now add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. The antioxidants in lemon juice protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, UV rays, and pollution. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. Terpenoids found in dill may offer protection against diseases of the liver, heart, kidneys, and brain. Then add 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Parsley is an excellent source of vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and plays a vital role in bone health by supporting bone-building cells and increasing bone mineral density. Blend ingredients together. Let's set mixture aside so we can add it to remaining ingredients later. Some of the veggies didn't chop as well as I would have liked, so I've placed them back into the processor to be chopped with the 15 ounces of chickpeas we are blending. Here we are going to add in the liquid ingredients to help with the blending process. If you have a regular size food processor or a blender, you can actually just put all your ingredients in without these steps. I thought all the ingredients would fit and blend easily in my little processor without having to pull out my heavy blender, but oh well. It works out well in the end, and that's the goal. From here I've added about a 1/4 cup of water to get the hummus to the thickness I like. Depending on your personal preference, you may want to add more or less to get your desired consistency. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini is an excellent source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These good fats can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. The total calories for this entire recipe is 1,033 calories, with 36 grams of protein, 55 grams of fat, and 108 grams of carbs. The total servings for this recipe are 4 servings, with each serving at 258 calories. Per serving has 9 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, and 27 grams of carbs.